Stop doing the same old thing, do what works in Karachi in 2024. Alright, aspiring entrepreneurs, listen up. Karachi is a goldmine for innovative business ideas. First up, eco-friendly products. With increasing awareness about sustainability, selling green products can really set you apart. Next, let's talk about tech. App development and IT services are booming. If you can provide niche solutions, you're golden. Food businesses are evergreen here. Think fusion food trucks or organic cafes. Karachiites love to eat, so feed their passion with something unique. Don't overlook e-commerce. From fashion to handmade goods, an online store can tap into a massive market. Finally, education and training services. Everyone's looking to upskill, offer courses or workshops in high-demand areas, and you'll see great returns. So, there you have it. The top business ideas for 2024 in Karachi. Ready to make your mark? Let's get started.